Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Honda VTX1300R. This is the one with the dish style wheels, twin cylinder 1300, liquid cooled. She's loaded with touring accessories including LED headlight, quick release windscreen, engine guards, floorboards, Mustang saddle, and wait till you hear that awesome Cobra exhaust. It's got a nice big backrest for your pal, your partner. Come on by, make your middleweight V-Twin Cruiser's dream come true for just $49.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. She's got a brand new front tire also. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.